guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to make another DIY vlog, DIY tutorial. So this top that I'm wearing right here is we're going to make this from oversized pants. Yes, and it's have a coordinate skirt right here. You're going to see that in the final transformation later. So without further ado, let's do the cutting and sewing. So guys, for the first step is we're going to seam rip the crotch part and the legs, okay? And then after that, we're going to measure the desired length of the sleeves, which is 18 inches. So 18 inches, medyo malaki pa siya, kaya tatanggalan pa natin siya mamaya, okay? For the top guys is we're going to use dun sa may upper part ng pants natin. So we're going to measure 10 inches long, and then dito sa may bust measurement natin divided by 2 plus allowance, and also dun sa may waistline natin divided by 2 plus allowance, okay? And then we're going to cut it. And guys, for the armhole is I measure lang 2.5, 52.5 lang siya guys, and connect it and then going to cut it, okay? And then after nun is we're going to lay out it to the other side nung sa may pants natin, other side niya. For the front naman, front nung top naman siya. So we're going to mark it like that, and we're going to cut first dun sa may side niya before marking curve lines, okay? By the way guys, dapat mas malaki yung width ng front natin kaysa dun sa may back, okay? So ganun yung measurement nung sa may curve lines niya, 4, 7, and i-draw nyo lang ng ganun pa curve lines. And after that, we're going to cut now the markings, okay? So for this skirt guys, is ito na lang yung natira natin. So yan yung gagamitin natin skirt. We're just going to remove the excess fabric, and yung excess fabric na yan is gagamitin natin for the ruffles of the skirt. We're going to cut 4 pieces rectangle, and we're going to connect all those para maging isang long rectangle lang siya. So for the sleeves guys, is we're going to cut it 4 inches kasi masyado siyang malaki. We're going to use it for the strap. So for the skirt, I cut the unlabeled parts and then sew the cuttings para maging skirt siya, no? So, ayan yung mga pieces na kakailanganin natin for the sewing. And for the first step in sewing, dapat nakahem na lahat yung edges natin guys, okay? Para ready na tayo mag-connect lahat. I-connect natin una yung sa may front and back natin, doon sa may top, okay? And I already finish na itahi yung sa may crotch natin, kaya naging skirt na siya ng ganan, and then yung sa may ruffles na lang ang problemahan natin. And then after natin pag sama-samahin lahat ng mga maliliit na rectangles, we're now going to sew it in a loose stitch guys para mag-sheared siya, okay? Like that. And then after natin i-shear yung sa may fabric, we're going to put it na dun sa may baba ng skirt natin. And we're now finished with the skirt, okay? And after that, we're going to sew now yung sa may strap. And after natin itahiin yung sa may strap natin na 4 inches, is we're now going to connect sana yung sleeve, pero guys, sobrang may sobra yung sa strap natin. Hindi siya equal dun sa may sleeve, kaya kailangan natin i-cut pa siya. Kaya i-cut natin. So, ikakat natin siya ng ganyan. Kaya dapat always make sure that the strap and the sleeves, guys, is equal in length. Okay? Para hindi na kayo magkakat ng ganyan. dapat equal siya. Okay? Huwag niyo kong gayahin na hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ko, but hindi siya nag-equal. Parehas naman silang kinat ko, diba, kanina. So, after nun is we're going to connect the sleeves. After nun, guys, since maluwang yung sa may shoulder natin is kailangan mag-sheared pa siya. Kaya gumamit ako ng elastic thread para mag-sheared siya. So, for straight line stitch. Okay. And then, since hindi siya masyadong sheared, kasi rough yung tela ginamit natin. Yung ginamit ko dun sa may ruffle part dun sa may baba ng sleeve natin is gumamit ako ng garter. Yung pinaka-thin na garter. You're going to stretch it in full force para sheared siya, guys. Okay? And you're going to cut the excess. By the way, guys, dun sa may transformation ko, finold ko lang siya dun sa may baba kasi medyo malaki siya masyado. Okay? So, that's all for today's DIY, guys. Thank you for watching. We're now going to see the final transformation. So guys, that's all for today's video, for today's DIY tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos ko. So, hope you guys like this DIY tutorial for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!